The wait is almost over. Join me, Katina Anderson, for episode 1 of Surviving the Storm, Finding Yourself in the Midst of Chaos. God carried me through the storm. In this premiere episode, I will be sharing my story of faith, survival, healing, and how God carried me through one of the hardest storms of my life. This episode is for every woman who has ever felt broken, discouraged, alone, or unsure of how she would make it through. Be encouraged and remember the storm did not destroy you. God was carrying you the whole time. Listen on Apple Podcast, Spotify, iHeartRadio, YouTube, Overcast, Castro, Castbox, and Goodpods. And always remember that God can turn your pain into purpose.